holidays are quickly approaching, and if you are a brand rep, affiliate, ambassador, or just someone who's really good at helping people figure out what gifts to get for others, you should definitely consider creating a gift guide using Jumprope. Here's how you can do it. First, it helps to identify who you are creating the gift guide for. So think about separating gift guides like gifts for teachers, gifts for your boyfriend, gifts for your grandma, and you could also separate your guides by price point. So think about creating gift guides like gifts under $25 or gifts under $50 to help people identify what the guide is going to include. Show off your products and gift ideas in different steps of your Jumprope. You can get really detailed about what makes this a great gift for the person the viewer is searching for a gift for. One of the perks of creating your gift guides on Jumprope is that you can link products directly in your video. Make sure to add a photo, a link if you have it, and a product name for everything that you mention. This allows people to shop directly from your Jumprope. You can use affiliate links if you want. If you have a holiday hub on your blog or a storefront for a brand you're an ambassador for, you can add that link to your Jumprope, go to See All, and add your link. Remember to share prices of the product either verbally while you're talking about it, using the voiceover feature, or in the text box down below so that people know exactly how much these items will cost them. And if you have any special deals or discount codes, be sure to share those as well. I hope you found this video useful, and I can't wait to see the gift guides you'll create using Jumprope this holiday season.